Okay, you guys, my camera is upside down. So this contraption here, yeah, I really did something here. I'm trying to get back into sewing, and in my other videos on YouTube, I talk about how I want to manufacture my own clothing instead of sending out. So I want to be able to make the clothes myself. And so this was one of my first attempts getting back into sewing, and it was going pretty good, except I don't know if you can see from right here, but the grain is like it's slanted. So that didn't bother me. But when I put my I can't remember what they're called. It's been such a while. But where I join the fabric together, so it's so the pattern fits together. I made the pattern myself, designed myself. Actually, I forgot the paper I was going to bring. This is getting heavy in my arm. Anyways, I'm going to post the videos of me doing all these pieces individually, and then I'm going to stitch them together, and they're going to be on YouTube. But I'm here on TikTok and Instagram to show you guys where basically I just messed this all up. It's not bad, but it is bad. This right here, this is way too low, or way too high rather. And then the pockets themselves are the pockets are okay. It's just the placement of the flap. If you can see, it's like this one is the worst of all. And then this is 4 inches, and this is like 4.5 inches. And I want to show you guys something. Right here, can you guys see that? When I first made that in the other videos, it was fine. But when I serged it, I literally serged the belt loop until the belt can't go through. Yeah, I did that. And then these grommets, or I'm going to get this terminology right, I promise you. I put them on the wrong side. They should be on these should be on the other side. So that was my bad. Of course, I designed it and I made it, but what I need to do is get better at my planning. So I'm going to redo this with a different fabric. This is hoodie jersey. So I have a white hoodie jersey, and I also have a red hoodie jersey, but I have a lot of it. So I'm going to try to make like 5 to 6 of these. But I'm going to use contrasting colors for the pockets and the belt. I was going to put some military things up here, but it took me a while to get back in and get my courage back up. It turns out okay. It's okay. It's wearable. It's just irregular, and it has a lot of flaws in it. So I'm going to redo this. Not redo this, but I'm going to, on the other ones, I know what to look for. So it isn't so, it's my gimbal. It's shaking. I'm supposed to hold it with my left hand. It's actually upside down right now, to be perfectly honest. I want to see if it stops shaking. I don't know if it's going to stop shaking. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I have to redo these, or place them, plan my pattern so that these aren't so high, I don't know if I'm going to use pleated pockets. I might not. I just might use a flat pocket on all of these. Overall, I'm happy, but my mistakes, rookie mistakes, I guess I can attribute that to getting back into the game. I want to be able to, like I said, manufacture my own clothes instead of sending out. I see having to go overseas or whatever with the tariffs and trying to find reputable contractors overseas. I'm not saying it can't be done, of course, because a lot of people do it. And I've seen people demonstrate how to do it. I just don't want to do it myself. I'd rather do it myself and then show you guys while I'm making the garment. And that's what I have on YouTube. It's boring, it's long, but I'm learning how to edit my videos, cut them down, and not make them over an hour. I'm going to try to keep them under 15 minutes, under half an hour, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. And I will be making the garments myself. And if you're interested, you can pop on over to my YouTube channel and watch me plan out the design, do the illustration, make my tech packs, make my patterns, cut my patterns out, put it on the fabric, and then make the entire garment. And I want to get to the point where I'm not just making one and then coming on here like this right here and just showing you guys. I see a lot of people doing that, and there's no shade, no tea to people who do that. I don't want to just make one spectacular piece. I want to make 100 spectacular pieces, 200 spectacular pieces, and I want to sell them to you guys. So that's why I'm doing all this. I want to be able to manufacture my own gear and then sell them to you guys. I'm looking to get a Spotify account. I keep saying Spotify, huh? A Shopify account. And I'm going to go get a P.O. box and then an EIN and an LLC, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I want to be able to make them myself, and I want them all to be as perfect as possible. Not just one and then try to sell that. Like I said, I want to be able to do this and make a bulk run. I'm never going to, if this pans out, I will never be making over 500 pieces. I will always most likely stay below 300 pieces. So you might see me make a 25 piece run, a 75 piece run, a 180 piece run, things like that. And I will be making my own gear, like I said, from start to finish. The illustration, the design, the specs, the pattern, cutting out the pattern pieces, putting it together, and then putting the pieces on my Shopify account, and probably here on Instagram if I can figure out how to do that, and TikTok as well. So with that said, I will see you guys in the next video.